Good afternoon, the Honorable Bu Krisanti as my supervisor teachers and the Honorable the examiner team. Here I want to present about my invention products. The title is Effectiveness of Compost made from egg cells and banana peels on chili plants, Capsium annum L. The next is outline. The first is background, and then problem formulations, and then objective, and then benefits, and then literature review, and research methods, and then the results and conclusion and suggestions. And the next is my background. The first is nutrients in the soils have begun to degrade. The second is public awareness in using organic fertilizers is still very limited. The third is the community doesn't have the skills to process organic waste. And the next is problem formulations. My problem formulation is first, what is compost made from egg cells and banana peels effective in helping the growth of chili plants? And the second, how big is the effect of compost made from egg cells and banana peels on chili plants? Objective from my invention are: the first, compost made from egg cells and banana peels is effective in helping the growth of chili plants. And the second is compost made from egg cells and banana peels has a very big influence on the growth of chili plants. Next is my benefits of research. The first is for writer, to be able to complete the invention project and be able to provide solutions the manufacturers of compost. The second is for readers, to provide knowledge. Egg cells and banana peels can be used as a compost. And the third is for the society, to add insect the egg cells and banana peels can be processed into quality products, for example compost. The next is literature review. The first is compost fertilizer from Sulaiman 2017 is pengomposan adalah proses di mana bahan organik mengalami penguraian secara biologis, khususnya mikroba yang memanfaatkan bahan organik sebagai sumber energi. Kandungan yang dihasilkan dari proses pengomposan yaitu unsur hara, terutama N, P, dan K, yang sangat dibutuhkan oleh tanaman dalam proses pertumbuhan, perkembangan, dan kesehatan tumbuhan itu sendiri. And the next is egg cells from Yusuf 2017 is cangkang telur merupakan limbah tangga yang dapat diolah dan dijadikan sebagai bahan pengganti kapur untuk meningkatkan pH tanah. Cangkang telur juga dapat membantu pembentukan bulu akar, mengeraskan batang tanaman, dan merangsang pembentukan biji. The next is banana peels from Wahyu Amanda Akbari 2018. Kulit pisang merupakan bahan organik yang mengandung beberapa unsur kimia yaitu magnesium, sodium, fosfor, dan sulfur yang dimanfaatkan sebagai pupuk organik. Pembuatan pupuk kompos berbahan dasar kulit pisang dapat berupa cairan atau padat. Kandungan pupuk padat kulit pisang kepok yaitu C organik 6,19%, N total 1,34%, K2O 1,47%, P2O 0,05%, Cn 4,62%, dan pH 4,8%. The last is chili from Wati 2018. Tanaman cabai atau Capsium annum L berasal dari belahan bumi tropis dan subtropis benua Amerika, khususnya Kolombia, Amerika Selatan, dan terus menyebar ke Amerika Latin. Budidaya cabai pertama kali ditemukan oleh galian sejarah Peru dari sisaan biji sudah berumur lebih dari 5.000 tahun sebelum Masehi di dalam gua Tehuacán, Meksiko. Pedagang Portugis dan Spanyol menyebarkan tanaman cabai ke seluruh dunia, termasuk benua Asia, seperti Indonesia. Tanaman cabai merupakan tumbuhan jenis berkayu dan buahnya yang memiliki rasa pedas. Hal ini disebabkan oleh kandungan capsaicin yang terdapat dalam buah cabai. And the next is research methods. Time is December 2020 until September 2021. And then the place is PT Gula Putih Mataram, Housing 2, Block F, number 120. And this is the how to make my products. Let's enjoy it.
I don't care their opinion on the way we should be. None of them ever really contemplated like we did. If they're essential here to show they're real, it's a moment to dance. I don't care their opinion on the way we should be. None of them ever really contemplated like we.
This is the result ya. A is for the only soil, B is for compost plus soil. The degrees of compost is 100 eggshells and 0 banana peels. And C is compost plus soil. The degrees of compost is 100 gram eggshells and 100 grams banana peels. And then D is for compost plus soil, 0 eggshells and 100 gram banana peels. And then for E is only compost. The degrees is 100 gram eggshells and 100 grams banana peels. The next is conclusions. The first is the applications of compost based on eggshells and banana peels to chili plants is effective in helping and accelerating the process of the emergence of candidate fruits for chili plants. The second conclusion is the large effects of compost made from eggshells and banana peels with a ratio of 100 grams of banana peels and 100 grams of eggshells give the best effects on the stem height of chili plants. Last is suggestions. For the next inventor, this title can be further developed.